What's up guys, this is Blash from Racing Brick. If you remember my review video about the LEGO Technic Land Rover Defender, I showed you that the gearbox works reversed. The fake engine becomes faster in higher gears instead of becoming slower at a constant wheel speed. There were a lot of comments about this. From one point of view it is understandable, since kids expect this behavior, but from the other side, if the set wants to be a technical demonstration about how things work in a real car, then the sequence needs to be reversed. It should be an easy fix for the plus-minus signs on the gear selector. You would simply need to turn the sticker around since it is symmetrical. The situation is a bit more complicated for the high-low sticker, as it cannot be turned around easily, or at least it would look weird upside down. You could cut it in half and put it back reversed, but that's not the nicest solution. And here comes Forward Sticker to the rescue with a custom updated sticker pack. It's a pretty simple fix. Actually we would only need to replace the high-low one, but with this pack of 3 stickers, all indicators around the levers can have the exact same style. Replacing the stickers is not too complicated. You can do it without major disassembly. The seats can be easily removed, and that definitely helps with the process. I always use an old sticker sheet to remove the stickers. It comes down fairly easily. Applying the new ones might be a bit tricky with the roof on, but it's manageable. With a few minutes of work, our gearbox is working now in a correct sequence. Check out the description for a link to the sticker sheet, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe and click on the notification bell. See you next time, bye bye!